Quikrete is the largest manufacturer of packaged concrete products in the U.S. This year, the buzz is all about making concrete stylish and colorful.
The stains that Quikrete is featuring here at the International Builders Show are our translucent, our penetrating, and our etching stain. These actually penetrate down into the concrete. The first one here, our translucent stain, is a stain that you can see through. You'll be able to see any of the patterns in the concrete, but it'll give it a different color to the surface. The next one is our penetrating stain. So if you have any imperfections on the surface of the concrete, you can mask that by putting a penetrating stain on top of that. And the final one is our etching stain. Put that on it and it will react differently with the different minerals that are in the concrete.
Quikrete's concrete stains can be applied with a garden sprayer or a paint roller. Staining concrete is a popular DIY project. In fact, some homeowners are actually taking up carpet in order to stain the concrete underneath.